Hello everyone, and welcome to English Insight. Today, we're going to talk about someone who embodies success and motivation. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is a global icon, a successful actor, businessman, and former wrestler. But his journey wasn't always easy. We'll explore his experiences, drawing from his public appearances and interviews, to learn valuable lessons about perseverance, hard work, and self-belief. And, just like English Avenue, we'll make it easy for beginner English learners to follow along. The Rock's story is incredibly inspiring. He faced setbacks, disappointments, and even financial struggles, but he never gave up on his dreams. He's a perfect example of how hard work and a positive attitude can lead to incredible achievements. The Rock's early life wasn't always glamorous. His family faced financial difficulties, and he experienced setbacks in his early career. He was cut from the Canadian Football League, a major disappointment for him. This experience taught him a valuable lesson: resilience. For beginner English learners, resilience is a very important word. It means the ability to bounce back from difficult situations. The Rock story shows us that even when things get tough, we can overcome challenges if we're resilient. One of the most prominent themes in The Rock story is the importance of hard work. He's known for his incredible work ethic. He's often up early in the morning, hitting the gym and dedicating himself to his craft. The Rock's success didn't happen overnight. It was a result of years of dedication and hard work. He consistently pushes himself to be better, both physically and professionally. This teaches us that success requires effort and commitment. Another key ingredient to The Rock's success is his unwavering belief in himself. Even when others doubted him, he believed in his potential. He had a vision for his future, and he worked tirelessly to make it a reality. Self-belief is crucial. It's about having confidence in your abilities and knowing that you can achieve your goals. The Rock story is a reminder that we all have the potential to achieve great things if we believe in ourselves. The Rock is a master of setting goals and staying focused on them. He has a clear vision for what he wants to achieve, and he breaks down his goals into smaller, manageable steps. This allows him to make consistent progress. For English learners, this is great advice. When you're learning English, it's important to set realistic goals. Maybe you want to learn 10 new words a week, or maybe you want to be able to hold a simple conversation. By setting small goals and staying focused, you'll make steady progress. The Rock is also known for his philanthropy. He gives back to the community through various charitable initiatives. He understands the importance of using his platform to make a positive impact on the world. Giving back is a wonderful way to find fulfillment and happiness. It's about helping others and making a difference in their lives. The Rock's example shows us that success is not just about personal achievement, but also about contributing to something bigger than ourselves. The Rock's journey wasn't without its failures. He's spoken openly about times he struggled, like when his football career didn't work out as planned. But he used these experiences as learning opportunities. He didn't let failure define him. Instead, he used it as fuel to work harder and achieve even greater things. This is a crucial lesson for everyone, especially English learners. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning process. When you make a mistake, learn from it and keep moving forward. Family is incredibly important to The Rock. He often talks about the support he receives from his family, and he prioritizes spending time with them. He understands that success is much more meaningful when it's shared with loved ones. Having a strong support system is essential for success. Our families and friends can provide us with encouragement and motivation, especially when we're facing challenges. The Rock encourages everyone to find their passion and pursue it relentlessly. He's clearly passionate about what he does, and that passion drives his success. When you're passionate about something, you're more likely to work hard at it and achieve your goals. So, Take some time to explore your interests and discover what truly excites you. The Rock emphasizes the importance of consistency. It's not about working hard just once in a while, but about consistently putting in the effort day after day. This is how we build habits and achieve long-term success. Learning English is a perfect example of this. It's not enough to study English for 1 hour and then forget about it for a week. You need to practice consistently, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. The Rock maintains a positive attitude, even in the face of adversity. He focuses on the good things in his life and approaches challenges with optimism. A positive mindset is essential for success. When you believe that good things are possible, you're more likely to attract positive outcomes. The Rock story is a powerful reminder that success is within reach for all of us. By embracing hard work, believing in ourselves, and staying focused on our goals, we can achieve our dreams. Thank you for watching English Insight. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe for more inspiring stories and English learning content. Remember, the journey to success starts with a single step. What step will you take today? See you in the next video.